Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about assignment operators in Python. So I will discuss assignment operators in Python. So first of all, just create a file and save it. And go to the documents and here you'll be finding Python programs. Open this folder and here just create a file name called assignment operators dot py and save it. So for example, x is equal to 6. So it is an assignment. So it is an equal to assignment. It is an equal to assignment. Equal to assignment. And if we want to increment this number, so what you have to do? You have to type x is equal to x plus 4, right? It is an addition operation. It is a addition. I'm assigning this x value to the 4. Like I'm adding the 6 value plus 4. I'm giving I'm giving the addition operation. I'm giving the addition operation and I am assigning. So what will be the output? Let's print x now. Click on F5 and click on OK. So it is 10. It is 10. So the same statement we can write in different ways. So instead of writing x is equal to x plus 4, you can write x plus equal to 4. X plus equal to 4. So x is equal to x plus 4 and x plus is equal to 4. So both statements are correct. Both statements are correct. So in either way, you can write the first statement or you can write this statement also. So you can choose either one. You can choose either one. So likewise, you'll be having subtraction operation. You'll be having subtraction operation. The same thing. The same thing. So instead of addition, we have to write subtraction. We have to write subtraction. See, we got 6. We got 6. So in this way, we can print the addition or subtraction operation. So you got 6, right? Or you can take y is equal to 4 and I will write 2 here and I will write y minus r equal to 2. And now I will print both x and y. Both x and y. See now. See, we got 10 and 2 because x plus 6 plus 4, it's 10. And we are in y value, we are subtracting 4 to 2. So we will get 2. We will get 2. So likewise, the same thing we are having multiplication. So I'm giving 3 here. And if you do the multiplication, and I will write z into equal to 3. That equal z into equal to 3. So which gives you the 3 into 3 and it will give output as 9. See, we got 9. We got 9. So likewise, we'll be having division operation also. I'll give a is equal to 4 and now I will do division a by equal to 2. So which means a is 4 and 4 by 2 is equal to 2. We will get 2. Just write print a. That's it. And click on F5 and click on OK to save. And we will get 2. And if you want to eliminate the decimal, just type here int of a. So which typecast it and it will remove the decimal part. See, now we got 2. Now we will got 2. So this is all assignment operators. And we'll be having modulus operation also. We're having the modulus operation also. So just write b is equal to 10. And I will write here ash modulus. And here I will write b modulus 2 equal to 2. And I will write and I will print b. Just click on F5 and click on OK. Then you will get 0. So what modulus operation will give you? It will give you the remainder. It will give you the remainder. So why we got 0? Because 10 divided by 2 will give you the remainder 0. So that's why we got 0 here. So I hope you understand. And we are having the float division, right? We'll be having float division. So just write C is equal to 7. And I will write here lower division. And I'll write here C slash S is equal to 2. Now I'll print C. C. Now we'll get the floor division. So it is 3. It is 3. It will give you the nearest value. It will give you the nearest value. Here we are having 2, right? 2 divided by 7 will give 6, right? 6, 2, 3 is 6, right? But here having 7, right? Which means 3.5, right? But we have get the floor division as you will get the nearest value. You will get the nearest value. And we are having a power. We are having the power. Just give d is equal to 2. And I will write here ash power. And if I write d star star equal to 2, then what you will get? You will get the power. You will get the power. So it's 2 power 2, which means 4. You will get 4. See, we got 4. So these are some basic assignment operators, right? These are the basic assignment operators. So we are assigning. We are assigning by using equal to symbol. By using equal to symbol. So we are assigning addition here. We are assigning addition. Assign. Likewise, the same thing as for the subtraction from the multiplication and for the division and the modulus. And the power. So we are assigning. We are assigning, like we are adding addition plus 4 to the x value. And we are subtracting, like we are assigning 2 to subtract from the y value. So likewise z, a, b, c, d. So based upon your operation, based upon your operation assignment, the output will be presented. The output will be presented. So I hope you understand. So in the shortcut, we can write x plus is equal to 4, or for subtraction, we can write y minus equal to 2, and the multiplication we can write z into equal to 3. Likewise division, modulus, float division, and assigning power. So in this way we can assign operators. So I hope you understand. If you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I'll definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.